Today, we're shooting on the Fujifilm X-T4, let's see how it performs. This video is shot on the Fujifilm X-T4, and as you can see from the footage, the video quality looks highly cinematic and professional, featuring 4K 60 frames per second recording that delivers smooth and detailed shots, along with 5-axis in-body image stabilization which keeps handheld footage steady and shake-free. The camera also supports 10-bit internal recording and Fujifilm's signature film simulations that produce rich, natural, and vibrant colors straight out of the camera with minimal editing. In daylight the colors appear bright and accurate, while in low light the performance remains solid with good noise control, and the slow-motion footage comes out smooth and detailed, giving the overall video a true cinematic feel, making the X-T4 a great choice for anyone looking for powerful video features and professional results. And additionally, the X-T4 offers a fully articulating touchscreen LCD, which makes vlogging, low-angle, or high-angle shooting very convenient. Its autofocus system is fast and reliable, with face and eye detection that keeps subjects sharp even when moving. The camera's weather-sealed magnesium alloy body ensures durability in various shooting conditions, and it's compatible with a huge range of Fujifilm X-mount lenses, letting you get creative with wide-angle. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Lensverse.